You've been working hard, saving where you can, but why does it feel like financial freedom is always out of reach? Is it possible that the very habits you think are helping you are actually keeping you stuck in the middle-class grind? What if I told you that every time your income increases and you upgrade your lifestyle to match it, you're actually sabotaging your financial future? It's a hard pill to swallow, but sometimes our own mindset and habits can be our biggest stumbling blocks. In the realm of finance, this rings particularly true. Many of us are unwittingly trapped in a middle-class mindset, a mindset that prioritizes immediate gratification and comfort over long-term financial success. This mindset holds us back, convincing us to live beyond our means, to shy away from investing, and to rely on a single source of income. It's a mindset that tells us to save every penny, to avoid financial risk, and to trade our precious time for money. But what if we could shift this mindset? What if we could adopt a wealthy mindset, a mindset that prioritizes financial education, embraces calculated risk, and understands the power of investing and multiple income streams? We're tempted by the latest gadgets, the flashiest cars, the most luxurious vacations. But these purchases, while gratifying in the moment, are drains on our financial future. They eat away at our potential savings and investments, leaving us with little to show for our hard-earned money. We trade our time for a paycheck, but this leaves us vulnerable. You know, it's not just about hard work. It's about what you do with your money. This is the crux of the difference between the middle-class and wealthy mindsets. By recognizing and breaking free from these middle-class money habits, we can start on the path to financial freedom. We can adopt a wealthy mindset and, in doing so, unlock our true financial potential. Are you prioritizing lifestyle over savings and investments? If so, you're living beyond your means. This is a pitfall that befalls many, and it's a surefire way to keep wealth always just out of reach. Let's break it down. You work hard, and you earn your paycheck. But then, instead of saving or investing, you spend it, perhaps on that new gadget, a designer outfit, or that expensive vacation. This spending habit is akin to running a race with a weight tied to your ankle. It's not about giving up all life's pleasures, but about striking a balance. Instead of spending on the latest trends, focus on building a strong financial foundation. It's about making smart decisions that prioritize your future prosperity over temporary gratification. The wealthy understand that financial success isn't about how much you spend, but how much you save and invest. If you're not investing early or consistently, you're missing out on the power of compound interest. Now let's unpack that. What does it mean to invest early, and why is consistency so important? Imagine you're planting a tree. You wouldn't wait until the perfect conditions, like the right season or ideal weather. Instead, you'd plant it as soon as you can and tend to it regularly. The sooner you plant, the longer the tree has to grow. It's the same with investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. But why is consistency key? Well, think of it as watering your tree. If you water it only when you feel like it, the tree will struggle to grow and may even die. But if you water it consistently, it'll thrive. Similarly, investing consistently, regardless of market conditions, ensures that your wealth grows steadily over time. Now let's talk about the magic of compound interest. Compound interest is like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing bigger and faster. That's what happens when you invest early and consistently. Your money earns interest, and then that interest earns interest. Over time, your wealth snowballs, growing faster and larger than you ever thought possible. This is a strategy that the wealthy swear by. They understand that investing isn't a one-time event, but a lifelong commitment. They don't wait for the right time to invest. Instead, they make investing a part of their regular routine, just like brushing their teeth or paying their bills. But here's the catch. Investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building wealth slowly, steadily, and surely. It's about making your money work for you instead of you working for your money. It's about creating a future where financial freedom isn't just a dream, but a reality. So if you want to break free from the middle-class grind, start investing early and consistently. Remember, it's not about timing the market, but time in the market. The wealthy know that time is money. The earlier you invest, the more your wealth grows. Do you rely on a single paycheck? That's a middle-class trap. Let's shift gears and focus on the importance of creating multiple streams of income. The middle-class mindset often has us clinging to the safety net of a single, steady paycheck. But here's the truth. It's a risky bet. What happens if that one source dries up? It's like putting all your eggs in one basket, and that's a precarious position to be in. Now let's consider the wealthy. They never put themselves in such a vulnerable situation. Instead, they diversify. They build multiple income streams, investments, side businesses, rental income, dividends, royalties, and the list goes on. This approach not only boosts their wealth, but also secures it. It's a safety net multiplied by 10 or even 100. So it's time to rethink our strategy. Let's stop relying solely on our 9 to 5 and start building multiple streams of income. The wealthy never depend on a single source of income, they diversify. Are you focusing on cutting costs and saving? That's a middle-class mindset. The wealthy, on the other hand, prioritize increasing their income through high-value opportunities. They understand that there's a limit to how much you can save, but there's no cap on how much you can earn. Imagine this. You're on a boat that's taking on water. You could spend all your energy bailing out the water, or you could fix the leak. The middle-class mindset is to keep bailing, to keep saving. But the wealthy mindset? It's to fix the leak, to increase income. Wealthy individuals actively seek out opportunities to boost their income, whether that's negotiating a higher salary, starting a side business, investing in high-return opportunities, or leveraging their skills in new ways. This isn't to say saving isn't important, but it's only one part of the equation. To truly build wealth, we must also focus on the other side, on earning. The wealthy focus on growing their income, not just saving pennies. Do you avoid financial risks? That's keeping you middle class. Risk is an inherent part of life, and more so in the world of finance. It's an undeniable truth that those who have made it big have embraced risk, not shied away from it. Now, this isn't about betting your life savings on a hunch, but calculated risks based on informed decisions. The middle-class mindset is often trapped in a fear of failure, a fear that hinders growth. It's a fear that whispers, what if I lose everything? But let's flip the narrative. What if you gain everything? The wealthy understand this. They don't throw caution to the wind, but they don't let fear dictate their financial decisions either. They embrace risk, they manage it, and they reap the rewards. The wealthy understand that risk is a part of the game. They embrace it for higher rewards. So step out of your comfort zone, embrace financial risk, and let it be the catalyst to your financial success. Are you using debt to fund liabilities instead of assets? That's a middle-class trap. This is the debt trap, an all too common pitfall that holds many people back from financial success. Picture this. You get a credit card and suddenly the world is your oyster. The latest gadgets, that shiny new car, or maybe that dream vacation. It all seems just a swipe away. But here's the catch. This is debt, not wealth. You're buying liabilities, not assets. A liability is something that takes money out of your pocket every month. It's the car payment, the credit card bill, the personal loan. These are things that drain your wealth, not build it. They're like holes in your wallet, constantly leaking cash. On the other hand, an asset is something that puts money into your pocket. Think of a rental property, stocks, bonds, or a small business. These are things that generate income, even when you're not working. They're the seeds that grow into a tree of wealth. Now, the middle-class mindset often confuses the two. It sees the shiny new car and thinks, I deserve this, I've earned it. But the wealthy mindset asks, is this going to make me money or cost me money? It understands that debt can be a powerful tool, but only when used correctly. The wealthy use debt to their advantage. They borrow money to buy assets, not liabilities. They're not swiping their credit cards for the latest iPhone. Instead, they're using loans to invest in real estate, to start businesses, to buy stocks. They're using debt to create income streams, not to fund a lifestyle. This is the shift in thinking that can set you on the path to wealth. So next time you're tempted to swipe that card, ask yourself, am I buying a liability or an asset? Remember, the goal isn't to look rich, the goal is to be rich. So let's escape this debt trap together. It's time to start using debt strategically to build wealth, not drain it. The wealthy use debt to their advantage, to buy assets, not liabilities. Do you overlook the importance of financial literacy? That's a middle-class mindset. Just as a builder needs the right tools to construct a house, so too do you need the right financial tools to build wealth. And these tools are not physical, they are mental. They're pieces of knowledge, understanding, and wisdom that you acquire over time. Think of financial education as the cornerstone of wealth building. It's the foundation upon which all other wealth-building strategies are built. Without it, you're like a sailor lost at sea, without a compass, map, or star to guide you. With it, you're empowered to make informed decisions, to navigate the complex world of finance with confidence, and to recognize and seize opportunities when they arise. The middle class often overlooks the importance of financial literacy. They might believe it's too complicated or that it's something only financial experts need to worry about. But the truth is, financial education is for everyone. It's for you, it's for me, it's for the person next door. It's for anyone who wants to take control of their financial future. On the other hand, the wealthy understand that knowledge truly is power. They know that the more they learn about money, the more control they have over it. They read books, attend seminars, consult with financial advisors, and never stop learning. They make it a priority to understand the financial landscape, to keep up with changes, and to continually refine their strategies. Financial education is not about learning to crunch numbers or becoming a Wall Street whiz. It's about understanding the basic principles of money. It's about knowing how to save wisely, how to invest wisely, and how to spend wisely. It's about understanding risk and reward, about knowing the difference between assets and liabilities, and about planning for the future. So, if you want to break free from the middle-class mindset and start building wealth, make financial education a priority. Start today, read a book, attend a seminar, consult with a financial advisor. The more you learn, the more you'll earn. The wealthy understand that knowledge is power. They never stop learning about money. Are you working longer hours or multiple jobs for a paycheck? That's a middle-class trap. You see, the middle class often fall into the belief that the more time they trade, the more money they'll make. But there's a limit to how much time one person can work, isn't there? On the other hand, the wealthy have a different approach. They leverage their time and money to create passive income streams. They understand that time is a finite resource, but money can be multiplied. So instead of working more, they make their money work for them, earning income even while they sleep. They invest in assets that generate income over time, like rental properties, stocks, or businesses. They build systems that earn money without their constant input. This is how they grow their wealth exponentially while still enjoying their time. The wealthy buy time, they don't sell it. They build passive income streams. Are you ready to break free from these middle-class money habits? It's time to change the game. Start by living within your means, not on borrowed money. Next, make investing a priority. Don't just save, invest early and consistently. Don't rely on a single income stream. The wealthy know the importance of diversification. Start a side hustle, invest in real estate, or explore passive income opportunities. Change your focus from saving to earning. Look for high-value opportunities that can significantly increase your income. Don't let fear of financial risks hold you back. Remember, higher risks often mean higher rewards. Get out of the debt trap. Use debt to fund assets, not liabilities. Prioritize financial education. The more you learn, the better your money decisions will be. And finally, stop trading time for money. Leverage your time and money to build passive income streams. Imagine investing wisely, watching your wealth grow, and never relying on a single source of income again. You can do it too. It's easier than you think.